Think again. Using public Wi-Fi is like leaving your front door wide open. But here's the good news. You don't have to stop using it. You're sipping your coffee, checking email, scrolling through socials, and in that moment, a hacker is watching. Sounds scary? It should. Today, I'll teach step-by-step how to stay safe on any public Wi-Fi network. Let's dive in. 1. Before connecting, confirm the network name with staff or signage. Avoid vague names like free Wi-Fi. Turn off sharing. On your device, disable network file sharing and discovery. Enable your firewall to block random access. Stay updated. Always install OS and app updates. These patches fix vulnerabilities hackers exploit. 2. Use a VPN. Your public Wi-Fi shield virtual private network. VPN is your bulletproof cloak online. A good VPN encrypts all your traffic, even on shady Wi-Fi, and hides what sites you visit. A kill switch blocks traffic if the VPN drops. Pro tip, choose WireGuard or OpenVPN. Don't trust free VPNs. They might log or even inject ads. 3. Browse safely while browsing on public Wi-Fi. Only visit HTTPS sites. Look for the padlock. Avoid sensitive accounts unless using your VPN. Watch for SSL errors. These can signal man-in-the-middle attacks. Use privacy-aware browsers or extensions like HTTPS everywhere. Clear cookies and cache after each session. 4. Strengthen your accounts. Enable multi-factor authentication. Even if a hacker gets your password, they still need that second verification. Use apps like Authy or Google Authenticator over SMS. 5. Secure your device. Forget Wi-Fi after you finish using it. Don't auto-reconnect. Set Wi-Fi setting to public. This disables sharing. Or turn on device encryption, so if your phone is stolen, your files stay safe. 6. Spot the red flags. Watch out for network names like free Wi-Fi or guest, no password networks, or bizarre naming. As prompts to install certificates or software, that's often malware in disguise. 7. Mobile devices need extra care, so disable auto-join and network suggestions. Use reputable mobile security apps to detect malware or dangerous networks. Keep these apps updated. New threats emerge daily. 8. Advanced security tips for high-risk environments. Use dedicated devices or virtual machines for public Wi-Fi. Consider network monitoring tools to catch suspicious activity. Then prefer using your cellular data as a hotspot when handling sensitive info. It's more secure. 9. Future threats. Threats of Wi-Fi attacks on the rise. More IoT devices in public spaces is more opportunities. Preparing for quantum-era encryption is on the horizon. Stay informed, stay updated. 10. Tools and resources. Recommended tools. VPNs. NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark. Mobile security. Norton, Bitdefender, Kaspersky. Browser extensions. HTTPS. Everywhere. Privacy Badger. Password managers. 1Password. Bitwarden. LastPass. 11. Your personal Wi-Fi plan. Make a plan. 1. List your frequently used public Wi-Fi spots. 2. Define what you'll do on each, browsing versus banking. 3. Apply the safety steps. VPN, HTTPS, MFA, and minimal device sharing. Review and update it every few months and adapt as threats evolve. Why public Wi-Fi is risky? Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's inherently insecure. Hackers use tools like man-in-the-middle attacks. They insert themselves between you and Wi-Fi router to spy. Rogue hotspots, fake Wi-Fi with names like free airport Wi-Fi that lure you in. Packet sniffing, tools that capture your unencrypted logins, messages, and browsing data. Your data, passwords, banking info, personal messages, all laid bare. Even malware can be silently pushed onto your device. Here's what hackers do. Man in the middle. They intercept everything. See it, modify it, steal it. And evil twin hotspots mimic legitimate networks to trick you into connecting. And session hijacking, stealing your login cookies so they can impersonate you without your password. Understanding these threats helps you protect against them. Public Wi-Fi doesn't need to be dangerous. With these practices, confirm network names, turn off sharing, use a VPN, enable MFA, and stay updated, you can browse safely, even on public connections. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and share. Need more guidance? Visit Tileris.com for a free consultation or live demo with our AI privacy experts. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there and never get hacked again.